Join me as I dive deep into the crazy world of Muln stock and try to figure out what's really happening right now. Muln stock has been making waves in the market lately, and for good reason. This company has been gaining attention from investors and analysts alike, with its unique approach to the industry. But what's really driving the interest in Muln stock? One of the main challenges facing Muln stock right now is market volatility. We've seen some wild swings in the market recently, and Muln stock hasn't been immune to that. Investor sentiment has also been a major factor, with some investors getting nervous about the company's future prospects. And then there are company-specific issues, like any recent announcements or changes in leadership that might be impacting the stock price. These are just a few of the things that are keeping investors on their toes. Market volatility can be tough to navigate, but it's especially challenging when you're trying to make sense of a stock like Muln. The company's recent financial performance has been a mixed bag. On the one hand, they've shown some impressive growth in certain areas. But on the other hand, there are concerns about their ability to sustain that growth over the long term. And then there's the news. Recent announcements about partnerships or product launches have had a big impact on the stock price. It's been a wild ride, that's for sure. When you look at the financials, there are definitely some red flags. The company's been burning through cash at a pretty rapid pace. But despite all the challenges, there are still some reasons to be optimistic about Muln stock. The company's got a strong team in place, and they're making some smart moves to position themselves for long-term success. So what's the critical insight that could make or break Muln stock? It all comes down to execution. Can the company deliver on their promises and show investors that they're serious about growth? That's the million-dollar question. I think the next few months are going to be huge for Muln stock. To sum it up, Muln stock is facing some tough challenges, from market volatility to company-specific issues. But despite those challenges, there are still some reasons to be optimistic about the company's future. If you've got thoughts on Muln stock, I'd love to hear them. Drop a comment below and let me know what you're thinking. And if you're looking for more financial insights, be sure to check out my other video on stocks.